How do we use the order of operation? This is Dr. Spronza and welcome to my Math in a Minute. We have two cases in the order of operation. The first case is the left to right technique. Let's say we have 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 8 minus 2. We use the left to right technique, so 2 plus 5 is 7. Subtract it with 3, which is 4, and then add it with 8, which is 12, and 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. We use this technique because the only operations we have is addition and subtraction. So if we have 4 times 4 divided by 2 times 5 divided by 10, it's also left to right technique because we only have multiplication and division. So 4 times 4 is 16, divided by 2 is 8, times 5 is 40, and 40 divided by 10 is 4. And that's when we use the left to right technique. For case number 2, this is where we use PEMDAS or GEMDAS or BODMAS. So if you have the quantity 2 plus 3 plus 7 squared, we evaluate the grouping symbol and the exponent, so we'll have 5 plus 49 and add them up, so we have 54. And if we have 3 plus 2 times 5 minus 1, we multiply it first, so 2 times 5 is 10, and then 3 plus 10 is 13, and 13 minus 1 is 12. So in 6 divided by 2, quantity 1 plus 2, we evaluate the grouping symbol, so 1 plus 2 is 3, and then we proceed to left to right technique. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. In mathematics, know your rule to avoid confusion. Bye!